Hi there guys and gals, good evening to each every one of you. Shout out to each every one of you. How are you all doing? Thank you Lord for all the blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that has passed. Shout out to all my silent subscribers, to all my Facebook viewers, and to all my new followers on Facebook, and of course my 17 lovely countries. Hold on, I'm gonna enumerate those. Sorry. So here we go. Of course, number 1, Philippines, United States on the 2nd spot, Uzbekistan, Indonesia, India on the 5th, UK, United Kingdom, Russia, Germany, Canada, and on the 11th, Malaysia, Japan, Saudi Arabia on 13th, Hong Kong, UAE on the number 15th spot, Italy, Qatar, and last but not the least, the only one who came back, Myanmar, particularly in Burma. Yes, guys and girls, I'm gonna, and shout out to each every one of you. Okay, I'm gonna about sorry, sorry, just I can call sorry. Please bear with me. What's this I'm gonna say? Just what I have told you last night, that I'm gonna discuss the other topic that I'm telling you the other night. That I'm gonna ask you guys and girls, are you a keen observer? Well, if you're gonna ask me, yes I am. I really am. I'm a very much keen observer. I'm a really keen observer. You know what, guys and girls, especially when I'm in the public, I'm doing my transportations, I'm doing my walking or whatever I'm doing, I don't use a cell phone. Not unless if I have to meet a client that I have to get payments for them, yes, I do it. Or sometimes I have to browse something which is very important, I do. But I'm not telling you guys not to do your cell phones. But I'm not just into a cell phone. Actually, guys and girls, when my keypad cell phone got lost, I supposed not to have this kind of, what's this? Sorry.